Hello.
Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. How are you today? Everything good? Hello, hello. Meet? Well, I suppose it's not bad. Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome, Heronix. Welcome, welcome. So, today we will be checking out the pathfinding for the game. Yeah? Yeah, I think I need to fix two things. One is that I need to check that the pathfinding doesn't select an option that is not valid. And the other one is that we need to fix the doors for the overworld because all the doors are
Greetings,
broken.
pretty lady.
Hello! Greetings. Hello, hello, Basil. Yeah. I need to fix the doors. And I need to fix the pathfinding a little bit. Also, there is the issue with the pauses the enemies take whenever they hit each other. Yeah. Which is another thing. I believe it needs to be corrected. Yeah. Also, maybe I should work a little bit with the particle system. That's another thing I think it needs fixing. Yeah. Huh. That is quite a lot of stuff. Huh. Okay, we will see. Also, in other news, I started doing a bit more exercise because I think I've been neglecting a little bit my body lately. So, yeah. I've been walking for 1 hour each day lately. And it feels like it's actually doing something. I do feel better. Yeah. I also noticed that it seems each day I walk even farther away than before. Yeah. Currently I've been walking around 1.5 kilometers each day. I don't know if that's a lot or a little. Because I'm measuring it by time, not really by number of steps or distance. I'm like just targeting 1 hour of walking. So I don't know if the distance is big or small. Yeah. Also, it's not like I'm running or anything. I'm just walking. Yeah. I need to look that up. Yeah, if you're actually doing stuff every now and then it's okay. Yes. On the other part, I tried to do this a little bit more, what to call it, professionally. So I did my research to see how much I needed to walk. I looked into how to gain muscle and what influences that, and all that kind of stuff. I did quite a bit of research. And I bought a bunch of supplements I believe I'm missing. And currently I'm feeling way better than before, so I guess my research was sufficiently correct. Yes. Yeah. So hopefully that's nice. For me. Yeah. Also, I've been watching a few movies, specifically the Marvel ones. I'm trying to learn about camera angles and why they use them in particular moments. I feel like that's a career by itself. So I might need to look it up. Maybe I can just reference the career data instead of having to figure out stuff by myself. Yeah. I'm planning on using that for a little project of mine. Yes. But we will see. Yeah. Also, I noticed I lost 1 subscriber Today, I was checking my statistics and I noticed my number went down by 1. Wow. Wow. I suppose any subscribers I gained from the Minecraft stream, I will probably lose eventually. Yeah. Because I'm not really producing that kind of content. Yes. I'm working on a video of Minecraft, but I'm not really producing that much scripted content, so maybe that's why. Yeah. I'm also still looking for a job to change into, which is funny. Also, I received an email from YouTube detailing the statistics for my channel for this year, which is pretty funny. So let me show you real quick the little email I got. 1 second, let me grab Chrome. So look at this. I got 133 new subscribers. Right? I got 7,462 views. And at least 1,300 are exclusively from the Minecraft stream. I've got 800 likes. Surprisingly, I thought it would be more, but it seems like I was incorrect. I have 255 uploads, which is quite impressive. I think most channels don't do that many videos. 38 shares, that's impressive. Someone is actually sharing my videos. 158 comments. From these 158 comments, I believe 150 are from Spy. He's pretty much the only one who comments on my videos. Yeah. So 150 comments from Spy. These are my better performance videos. The one with more hours watch is my Celeste stream, number 11. And my top live stream is the same stream. Yeah. So Celeste is basically the one that basically carried the channel so far. Which I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. Yeah. Yes. This one really contributed quite a lot of watch time to the channel. Yes. And that's it. I'm going to make it into a short just to grab the publicity and maybe steal some more views. Yeah. I don't know how to do that, but I believe I can make a short somehow. It said I could. won't let me. Come on, make a short. What am I supposed to make it myself? I suppose. Okay, I see. I suppose I'm to make my own short. They won't make it for me. No free views for me. Well, never mind then. And here I was hopeful. Yeah. Yeah. I believe most people who are active on the channel discover me through Celeste, which is kind of funny. Yeah. I need to do more content from Celeste, a bit more scripted ones. You found it to the Reddit post? Wow. I actually thought I didn't get anyone from the Reddit post. Yeah, I'm planning something. I don't know if I will finish it on time. I'm planning to do a little lore video for the game. But I'm not sure I will complete it on time. Yeah. Maybe I will have to sacrifice, like any good game developer, I will sacrifice graphical fidelity in order to get it out of the door on time. Yeah. Yeah. I probably will do that. It's probably the best way to get it out on time, because I just yesterday I realized the 100 episode was coming close. Yeah, I should have prepared with more time. Yeah. I think I can do it. Yes. Yeah, I can do it. It will require some effort from my part, but I think I can do it. Yeah. There is also the anniversary for my channel coming up on January. Yeah. The anniversary for my debut. Yes. What shows I'm planning to watch on Saturday? To tell you the truth, I'm not sure. I have like this backlog as big as my games backlog on anime. Yeah. So I don't know, maybe you can put your recommendations on Discord? Anything you want me to watch? Yeah. I believe we have the recommendations. There is a series area. Yes. Put it on a wellness spinach. Yeah, I could do that. You should watch anime song how gotten more powerful after improving my farm related skills, because that sounds like an isekai. And it sounds like an isekai I have read before in manga form. Yeah. Oh, you mean the one for the author? I was watching that one. Yeah, the author. I didn't finish the series because they didn't finish publishing it on time. But yeah. It was pretty good. It just, by the end of it, it kinda got boring. Yeah, I expected a little bit more variety on the change of pace. It became a bit monotonous. Yeah. It's not that the concept was bad, it's that maybe JoJo is one option. I never actually watched JoJo. I just watched like the first like 10 minutes of the first episode. Yeah. Yeah. The first is kind of boring. Hmm. I suppose that's why I never actually finished it. The kind of animes I enjoy, I love a lot of Shonen Jump kind of anime. Yeah. But I also like a lot what to call it? Otome kind of animes. Yeah. Then again, usually the shoujo kind of animes eventually frustrates me. It gets kinda annoying. Yeah. I start getting quirky from the second one onward. Yeah. Maybe I could watch some of the older animes, some of the ones from the 90s that I never actually watched fully. Yeah. On the third season, the Macy beats his mother's soul. Wow. Wow. Another fourth, a guy licks a spider. Well, that's not... Well, I suppose it is strange, but I have been... I was present when Hachama did her tarantula cooking stream, so... It's not that strange to me anymore. Yeah, we could go through some good old animes. Yeah. Like the one I showed the meme of, The Greatest Fall of Anime. I actually had never watched that anime before. So maybe we could check that one out. Because it sounds like pretty crazy. Yeah. That could be an option. Yes. Another franchise that I never actually watched is the Gundam series. I never actually watched any of those. There is that one that is based on a VR game. You mean Sword Art Online? I did watch the first 2 seasons of that one. Yeah. There is Gongal Online. I watched the first one of that. Shangri-La Frontier? It could be. The one I loved, the one series I loved a lot, and the one that made me want to go into developing games for VR, it was one anime called Denukoel. Yeah, that was the anime that made me want to go into VR and augmented reality. Denukoel. Yeah, that was one of the best series I have seen about VR. Yeah. The most incredible part about it is that it was made on the 90s, so they didn't actually have anything about to reference for the VR stuff. So the way they made it, it was so awesome. Yeah. They basically based the VR like using this stuff that basically worked like QR codes or barcodes that the VR glasses read to basically project stuff into reality. But the kids started using the barcodes as like magic circles and spells, which made the series incredibly fantasy-like, but very technologically sound. Yeah. Dark Gathering? I have not heard of that one. Oh, we could... Now that you speak about ghosts, we could watch that one series. What was it called? Ghost Stories? The Nickelodeon dub? That would be funny. Dark Gathering. Let me look it up. Oh, it looks pretty good. Dark Gathering. Yeah. Isn't this the anime that had a Korone cameo? Was this one? No, that one was a different one. Yeah. Let me see if I have access to the series real quick. I have to have it in one of my accounts somewhere in the planet because I use VPNs to access everything. Do I have it? I don't want news. Dark Gathering. There is not a real anime. Darwin's Game. No, I don't have it on this service. Well, I will look it up. There is an Atelier anime. I'm pretty sure I have this game. The one for Atelier Risa. Oh. Well, we will see on Saturday. Maybe we'll just torture you guys with the with the Ghost Stories anime. Yes. I like that priest whose mantra tracks the souls of everyone who hears it to hell. Wow. That's quite the mantra. Ooh, we could watch... Now that I remember, we could watch Inuyasha. I never actually watched the whole anime. That's another option. Yeah. You think it's that bad? Yeah, I watched it. Actually, Inuyasha is what made me start learning Japanese. Yeah. Yes. And I might or might not have a trigger one of my relatives' obsessions with a certain Korean singer that made the intros and outros for Inuyasha. And eventually that relative became obsessed with Japanese and anime and Korean, and then started learning a bunch of different languages. And now she earns more money than I do because she knows like 5 languages. Yeah. It's just a relative. Yeah. Let's just say I was both a really bad influence and an extremely good influence. Yeah. She's probably the only other gamer in the family. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, she makes quite a bit more money. Yeah. And she uses all that money on let's say she's quite the Fubuyoshi. Yeah. Yes. Okay, let's move on to the game development before I keep dragging stuff off. Game development.
Hello, hello. Greetings, pretty lady.
Hello. Hello, hello. Game development time. Let me reset the script real quick. There we go. Okay. So we're not doing art today. We're going to fix the pathfinding. Let's see. So we have these guys, right? Right now, currently, when we play the game, we have this issue. The X is where the birds are going to, right? And you can see sometimes the X's are on the walls, right? Which is a bit of an issue, right? Because then they are basically stuck because they don't know how to get to that position. There is a timeout on the pathfinding. So if the bird doesn't get to the goal in a specific time, the pathfinding recalculates, right? That's why they get stuck. Right now I need to add a verification, so when the pathfinding selects an invalid position, it immediately recalculates, right? So let's see. That's the first goal. And I believe to do that, I need to modify the parent of the enemies. Enemy parent. And we need to check the step function right here. So the issue is while hunting, basically we get an attack position. This might be invalid, right? So it transforms into a gate position, and then we set the target. Then we set the frame rate to 0, so the enemy, the fire rate, excuse me. So this doesn't fire for I believe this is about 5 seconds of timeout. I don't remember. Yeah. Yes. I think I can move this to make well, I suppose I can leave it. So I need to check if the position is valid, and to do that I just need to make a little verification on the grid position. Yeah. Okay, let me check the strokes. Strokes. And I need on grids to check is valid vector 2. Let me make a new function here. Is reachable equals function, and we will receive a vector 2. And what I'm going to do is just basically check the position, right? So I will grab the value from that vector 2. And I will check if a value is greater than 0. Greater or equal, I suppose. And if it's greater, the result is false, because that means that that's a wall. or an obstacle. In any other case, we return true. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go over here and we will say if it's reachable, grid is reachable target. Then we do this. If not, I suppose we skip the frame. Yeah. This might work, this might not work. We will see. Okay. So now they are selecting positions. Okay, this seems to be kinda working, kinda not. They are not as stuck as before, that's for sure. Yeah. They're still getting stuck, but not much. Yeah. Well, they kill each other. There is also the issue that they go back to the last position they were in before moving to the next. Yeah. That's another issue. Yes. Yeah, here the position going all the way to bottom. There it should be recalculating. Oh, I see. I see what happened there. Okay, 1 second. Basically, I need to limit the targets. Yeah, that's a good point. Let me check the grid position. Reachable is basically working. Let's see the grid position. Where are you? The grid position right here. So we are doing basically a new vector. We divide by cell size and then we return. Let me run a limit on this. Yeah. Let me see. Limits returns a new vector. Okay. So res is equal to limit vector 2. So limit vector 2 of res. That should solve the issue. Yeah. In theory. So we have the pathfindings, okay. Each one going on their merry way. That's working just fine. Ouch. They're still going back to their previous position before trying to attack again, which is not a good thing. Yeah, that's a bug that needs correcting. Yeah, they go back to where they attack, and then they go to the other one. Yeah. Yeah, that would probably be funny. Maybe I should implement that. I haven't decided on the animation when they hit the walls, so we could do that. Yeah. That's totally doable. Yeah, they go back to the position they were in before going to the new one. I need to fix that somehow. Yeah. It's an issue. And then there they got stuck with the barrel. So that's technically a valid position. It's just not far away enough from the barrel, I suppose. Yeah. You can also trick them into going into a different direction. Which maybe I should solve that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh. Yeah, there was a version on the screen. It was funny, but yeah. Okay, so this solves some issues. It does make things a bit more fluid. Now we have the issue where they try to go to the wrong position when they after the attack. So that would mean they go through here. Where is where I get the next step? Check direction, position, where they hunting. Is this the one? Target, vector 2, current position equals t, pathfinding done, else return. Again, next style, or position. Variable gate, current position. Okay, so they go through here, and this is where they reach the position, right? But because they enter through here, the last position is still there. Okay, so if I just run this once, right here, that should solve the issue, technically. Right? That way they wouldn't be targeting the old position. If I do it like this. Let's see. So right now they are moving quite nicely. Ah. Ah. Okay, so he's still going to the last position, which is not good. Yeah. Yeah, he goes back to the last position before going to the next one, which is not what I want. Yeah. Welcome, DC. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, he's going back to the last position. That's weird. Why is that happening exactly? Current position, next position. Fuck. That actually scared me. Ah. I forgot what I was thinking. Ah. What I was thinking? Damn it. Ah. Okay, 1 second. My brain is... needs to reboot. 1 second. So we have the target, right? And it's the X. I want to do something. I want to draw the path. To do that, I need to Great draw tile. What does draw tile do again?
You bought one metal pipe for 100 crystal shards.
The bot ratted you out. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, yellow. Let me add a new one. Default. Draw set color to blue. Okay, so we give the grid and position. So grid, I will give the position with dual limit. Grab the value. Grab the world position. Self path. Draw text. I don't need that. Draw rectangle. And then we change back to white. Okay. This is useful. Okay. So I can literally just do let's set it to, how about 100? Or is one right here. For E equals for 100 steps, 10 steps, not so many. Let's make it 10 steps. What I wanna do is basically do this. Bar tile is going to be this. And next move tile, we give current position. Next tile. Let's make a previous tile. Start it to current position, and then we just say we calculate the next from that. Then we draw the tile. We are going to draw the tile for variable grids. And then we set previous tile as next tile. And we repeat. Right? In theory that should work. So draw the path. So if I do this, there we go. Now we have the path. Maybe I should add a bit more. Yeah. It's very slow actually. But it does give us the... Oh, I see. So one after the attack. Let me guide these guys to kill each other. So that happens. Ah, I see what's happening here. The current position is not updated. That's the issue. Yeah. You can see current position start from there to there. That's the issue. Yeah, you can see the path is trying to drop. Yeah. Okay, I get it. This is incredibly useful. Maybe I should make, instead of draw a square, I can draw a line. Let's see, let me check the functions. 1 second. 1 second. Let's see. We have the draw rectangle. Basic forms. Draw circle, ellipse, line. Ah. Draw the claws? That could be another option. Yeah. Okay. So I can do it basically draw a line. I can do it like this. Okay. I can go ahead and do it like that, where we will have the first X right there. Is the other one, and this will be the other options, and the Y. Yeah, and I can comment this one. Okay. So that's for the line, and to fix the issue with our lovely enemy, it's actually very simple. I just need to recalculate the position of the enemy, which is basically calling this one, this function right here, to make a new vector. So I just remove this, and after, when we finish the wind up, right here, recalculate the position, and that should fix the issue. Now we can see the lines completely wrong, but that's fine. It kicked me out of the room. Yeah, you can actually see the paths for each bird, like this. Yeah. It's still going to the ground position for some reason. Yeah. So it goes like that, and then goes back, and current position is correct. The issue is that the bird is... No, current position is wrong. It finishes and current position is wrong. Yeah, that's not correct. Why is that happening? Hold up. Let me try to fix the line also. So this... I think it was better when I was using the other function actually. Yeah, it leashes back to the original position. Are you using a generic explosion sprite for the other animations? I don't know. I was planning on having the same dead animation for every enemy, but maybe I could make something particular for each one, but I'm not sure. Octopus can be squished like a Verthandy. That would be quite the gruesome death. Yeah. I could make him explode, but that will also be a bit gruesome. Yeah. Okay, so next style, what does it do exactly again? Next style. Right here. So we grab the current position, right? Then we get the current position and its value. Why am I doing this twice? Then we get down, up, left, and right. Then the corners. And then we calculate sides and diagonals. We have the stock counter. We got position of right light. The work position, great position. There is a lot of calculus here that I don't need to do. Now that I take a good look around at the function. Have it float money? That could be an option, but I'm not sure. Then we will have a lot of money running around in the game, huh? Not if you animate it goofy enough. Have it explore money is equal to exploding a pile of feathers. Like the soul is being it is. I think the issue with this is that I have a weird structure here. Yeah. Hold up. How does the minimum function work? Exactly. Minimum vector, separate by class, function equals values that require not arguments, which was the word prepares. And we'll return those levels, real, in room, max width. Get ellipson, image index, random choose, random range. Randomize rounds. Proceed max min median left clamped. Let me see. Game maker min array. They make a community toolbox. Array reduce. So just obtain the value from an array by pressing the limits one by one. Call this previous element of set function array use. The function for this element in array. Returns any. Okay, length of set init. Mean value previous current index. Mean previous current. Okay. Okay, I can use this one. Okay, I have a function that might be useful. Okay. Let's see. This looks promising. Right here. So basically you need to provide a function for this to work correctly, and we use array reduce, right? You provide the rate and the mean value. You're basically returning a position, right? So what I can do, you can explode in smaller harmless octopus, or can deflate like a balloon. Yeah, that's another option. Deflate like a balloon. Or I could literally treat it like a balloon, and if you stab it with a sword, it suddenly starts leaking air and flies off the screen. That's another option. Okay, so I can use this. Over here. Actually, I can just keep it in here. So what I want to do basically is I want to call. Basically, I'm going to receive one of these position. So this is going to be a vector, right? These two are vectors, right? To compare both of them, I just grab the values. So I say var val1 val1 is going to be self dot get, and I'm going to get grid dot variable grid, and the position would be this, right? And I'm going to do the same for the other variable. And now that I have that, I just compare if val1 is greater lower or equal to val2, then we return the minimum, and that would be val1 will be previous, right? Else we just return current. Right? And for the array, I'm just going to give these positions. Down, up, right, left, right? I give the positions, this calculates the minimum, and we get the result. Position that we need to return, and I just return it. So I just say return res, right? And I will set out these as comments for now, just to check this is actually working. And I don't even need these ones, now that I realize. I just need the current position, right? I don't need this either. I just need to check where we're going. And that should give us the answer. Right? That simplifies the function a lot. Yeah. It crashed. Variable non-object.grid, no self-referred, val self-grid, self.grid, variable. Let me see. Let me copy the error. What are you complaining about? Object can be parents, non-variable dot grades. Process before it. It's before because I'm calling this over here, I suppose. So I need to move this function outside, sadly. So I will put it over here. And I will remove this one, like that. So I can use this one right here. Like that. In theory, that should work. It crashed again. Not grid, cell grid, parable, vector 2, object.grid and set reference. I see. Abort. I see. Let me check the get frame. Where is the get? Calculate, search, valid, tile, reachable, set target, previews, grill position, get. It's basically just this, so I can just grab this and use it instead. Right here. And that doesn't solve the issue, huh? Actually, I see what the problem is. Hold up. I see what the issue is. I don't actually need
My
to...
sprinkler goes like this.
At this. Oh, hello, Kilfer.
And comes back like that.
Like that. That's your solve the issue. Welcome. There we go. And now we have the paths being drawn quite cleanly now. It improved the performance quite a bit. Ouch. Funny enough. Yeah. That guy is kinda stuck over there for some reason, which is not good. Yeah, they kinda get stuck a little bit, huh? Yeah, the current position is not really working, huh? It's starting on the ground location still. Now they got stuck. Well, the code is not now working way cleaner. Yeah. Let's see. Next move dice, I can add a few iterations to this. That way we can see the path more clean. And the other issue we have is with the queen now. So grid position X and Y. What is causing the issue here? Maybe it's the move? Target position, correct? Yeah, this is the one that it should be. We set our current position. Then we check the equals. Variable grid, target position. Next, start using this. Then we use that to do that. Then we move depending on the grid position. But this doesn't trigger if we are not at the goal. So that's the issue. This doesn't change until we are at the goal. Until we are at the target. I see. So what I need to do is actually set the target also to the current position. Yeah. Basically this whole code as a whole right here. Like that. Let's see, does that work? Continue. File 1. We go in. And then we have the movement calculated quite nicely. Well, there is a lot of lag. Yeah. But you can see the paths now. Wow, that one killed me. Those two are stuck for some reason. Yeah, and they don't correct until they get unstuck. Oh. And they are still going all the way back to the position of the attack, which is not a good thing. Yeah, they keep heading back to the other position for some reason. And I don't get why. Yeah, they go back to complete the path. Sometimes it doesn't always happen. Hmm. You can check it so that the tracking starts from the current position and consistently calculate the shortest path. That's the issue. That's the goal that I'm trying to do right now. That's what I'm trying to do. Let me check. Maybe it's an issue with the bird itself. Enemies. State attack. State interrupted. We switch to hunting. Oh, that could be the issue. How about I switch this one to wind down? Yeah. That could be the issue. Yeah, is the starting position doesn't seem to be updating. Yeah. Wow. Now it seems to be working. Maybe. Let's see. It goes from there. And it goes to the mark. All the way over there. Yeah, it is recalculating now. Yes. From there it goes all the way over there. Ah, that's definitely not correct. Yeah, it seems it got stuck. So... that should have destroyed the... Oh, it got stuck again. Yeah. That's an issue that I need to fix. Yes. Okay, we see the pathfinding right there. It changes when the enemy attacks me. Then it attacks. And the pathfinding should... That's pretty good. The pathfinding is working. From there it goes to there. And that's not correct. Ah, it got stuck. Okay. Yeah, now it's recalculating correctly. Yeah. It's not going back to the position, previous position. Yeah, it was that issue. Okay, so a better solution than the one I have currently, instead of switching the target over here, I need to fix it over here with the enemy parent. Enemy parent. So instead of going down, I need to reset this over here when we select the target, right? We get a reachable target. that's when I shift this. When we get a new target, we recalculate the position. And that should not cause us issues. Okay, the next issue we have is the one where they get stuck, basically. To fix that one... How do we do this? Let me reduce this to 10 right here so it doesn't cause lag. And so right now the issue is basically that we get stuck. What do we get stuck, I wonder? Hold on, my cat wants to leave the room. I'll be right back. One moment, please. I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back. Okay. So, Okay. I'm thinking. So the issue is that they get stuck. Yeah, Kifara, you need to purchase the sound alerts. It's no longer free. Remove, else we mark the obstacle. Maybe it's because we're marking the obstacle? Hold on. Okay, I think I can improve this a little bit. I can move this one inside, I believe. right? Yeah. Okay. Here what I was doing, I just was setting targets. If the retries didn't work, hmm. Fuck. Ah! My brain cannot tolerate the jump scare. Ah, fuck. What was I thinking again? Ah! Right. Unstuck this thing. Right. Oh, I believe this maybe it is the issue. Right here. Because I'm marking the obstacle. Yeah. If instead of that I did a pause, it would be maybe better. Get collisions. Get collision, description, wow. An inferent player create from arrow. Buying cutscene parents. Why is cutscene parent here? Dungeon item chest. I suppose this is all terrain collisions. Hmm. Didn't I have my own collision detection? 1 second. Enemy seagull. Yeah, right here. I have my interrupt list. Hmm. Okay. So basically, I'm setting what can be an interrupt right there. I need to check what can be an obstacle also. Okay. Get attack position. Yeah, this is the to calculate the position of the player. Hmm. I think I can simplify this code, but not today. Let's see, mark obstacle. Maybe this is the issue. Get grid, variable grid, target grid, Russian. Interrupt. I could just set it to recalculate whenever they hit something. Next grid position, target grid wall position. I could just do it the other way around. I could just go back. I could get previous tile, and that way I don't need to worry about the stuff, right? Actually, let me simplify this even further. Here I need a grid and a grid position, so I can switch these two around to simplify the code a little bit. I just make this as the default, right? That means I can just remove that one and use it like this without needing to specify the grid. Also this one. Right, and now on the previous, this is the next. So let me use this code over here. I'm just going to comment everything right here. And we can use this. And I can invert this one again. Okay. And this I just need to invert. And that should be it, right? So here we basically go back. If we're stuck, we will go back. If we hit something, in theory that should prevent the enemies to getting stuck. In theory. Ah, it crashed. Object position down. On the 5, for index array, next grid dot variable grid. Next, oh, I see. That's because on over here I'm still using the variable grids right there. There we go. Wait. Well, I can simplify that one too, but I will continue like this. There we go. Now we can see the paths. Grid construct, say down grid position, no server for lead, object at left. Next small tile. What happened here? Hold on. Let's see. Oh, this one is also wrong. Right here. Whoops. Yeah. You modify one single function and everything breaks. Let's go. Okay, now that should work. Yeah. Let's see. What happens if they collide with each other? On the pathfinding, please. Yeah, one kinda just hovers and stays back while the rest do their thing. Yeah. Shit. Come here. Come here. Are you coming here? That guy now is stuck. That's an issue. Yep, that's an issue. Until the timer runs out and they can move again. That's wrong. Wrong path. Hold up. Maybe if I modify this a little bit. This is the previous. Let's go to the next previous title. And I can just set these positions to the array. So we have down, up, left and right. Then we can add also up left, up right, and down left and down right. To make the movement a bit more clean. In theory. Yeah. Like that. That should improve the pathfinding a little bit. In theory. There we go. That pathfinding is slightly more clean, if a little bit creepy. Yeah, they now can move sideways, which is a bit interesting. Yeah, now they can move sideways, which allows them to do some weird maneuvers. What do you think? Is that a good thing? Or should I... Well, the player can also move sideways, but the enemies cannot really attack sideways. In diagonal, I mean. Yeah, look at that. It can really do some curious maneuvers right there. The other one keeps staying stuck, huh? Yeah, when it goes there, it gets stuck for some reason. Yeah, they get stuck right there. Oh, interesting. Ah. Yeah, look at that pathfinding. That looks quite nice, I think. You can see it really go around stuff. Yeah, look at that. That looks so clean. Still having issues. That's not good. It got stuck. Maybe it wasn't getting a valid position. Oh, that can happen too. I never thought about that. Yeah. Look at that. What do you guys think? Is this pathfinding nice, or should I limit it so they don't go in diagonal? Is it maybe the hole that is causing the issue with the pathfinding? Because I see them, the enemies go to the corners without issues. It's just that particular corner that is causing the issues. And the only thing special about that corner is the hole. Yeah. It really looks like it's just the hole causing the issue. And that's still causing issues, huh? Yeah, it goes there and immediately gets stuck. Yeah. Maybe just an issue with the holes. Let me check. How do we handle the holes? Let's see. Pathfinding. I believe the holes are... They are handled on the team manager, right? On the pathfinding. These are the limits. Mark object. Recalculate. Obstacles. An obstacle goes down terrain grids. And I believe on the... Not that. On room start is where I'm doing this. Yeah, terrain grid. There it is. The holes. Yeah. Maybe I need to add a exception for the flying enemies. Yeah. Hmm. Ah. Ah. I'm dying. Ah. Okay, so maybe I need to make an exception here. Let's say these are terrain, right? I could switch this to call this one flying. The flying grid. Okay, good night. Sleep well. Sleep well. Sleep well. Yeah. Sleep well. Sleep well. Okay. I can set it like this. This blocks the flying ones. The other ones blocks the terrain, the land ones. Right there. Right. Like this. On romance, I need to destroy the flying grid also. Good night, good night. Sleep well. Okay, with that we have the flying exception, and I need to add it to the pathfinding. So basically that is where we calculate the grids. I can actually make this more efficient also. What am I fixing? And there is this little bug where the flying enemies get stuck if they fly into a tile that is between a hole and a wall. So I was thinking on basically making an exception for them in the pathfinding. Yeah. Let's see. I believe in the combine should be the target I'm looking for. Add obstacles right here. No, that's not it. Combine grids, this one. And here I'm basically adding the different grids, right? So I can just this one is for obstacle, so let me sort these ones so I can see what I'm doing. Right, that's the rain, and I need to add the flying one right here. basically we do flying grid right here. And only if the enemy is the flying kind. I believe I had added a variable for that before in the enemy. I don't remember what was the variable, but I believe I did it. And let's see, variable definitions. Wonder, parry, melee, speed, afraid. It is not here. So we'll add flying as a variable is going to be a boolean, and by default this will be false. Okay. Flying is flying, then we calculate this and add it to the grid. If not, we don't touch it. Wow, you got a really nice roll, yes. Let's see. Okay, the flying. Basically. Where is the data? Okay, wait. Is down here? In manager, yeah. Flying is what blocks the flying ones. Terrain only blocks the terrain ones. This blocks terrain, falls and water. This is for the flying ones. Okay. So this needs to be a little bit different. Actually. So if the flying grid blocks the flying ones, so that's correct. But if we are flying, we should not be interrupted by the one that blocks the ground one. Right? So in theory, that should solve the issue. It crashed. Object of lane, no set before reading it. Oh, I see. Hold up. I just need to add this one. To the values. Right here. And I'm just going to initialize it along with the grids on the enemies. So that would be over here when we create the grids. We can reduce that. Yeah, we create the grid and we set grid dot flying equals to flying. There we go, like that. While lock can also affect the speed. If I do that, it will break completely the balance of the game, because you can, once you have 100 above 100 luck, you will basically getting a level for free each time. The way the rolls work, I will need to do a specific system for the luck when it comes to XP. Yeah. That doesn't look good. Yeah, that doesn't look good. It seems I screwed up. Oh great, it's because the seagulls are not marked as... Wait, seagull? I want to mark you as flying. Still, that shouldn't be happening. Let's see. If we are flying, we don't use the terrain. Right? Terrain has the walls. But if we are flying... Wait, no. That's not it. Hold up. I think my logic is kinda wrong. Okay, so here we have all three. Right? This is the one that the interrupts flying. This is one that interrupts ground. So if you are flying, this one is the only one that should apply to you. If not, then yeah, it's only for flying. But if you are not, it should also affect you. Vote. So basically we check the entire grid. We grab the values and we need to check if this one applies to ground. And fly. This applies to ground and fly. This only affects ground. So ground should trigger either way. The only exception is fly here. Yeah, because fly is a structure like this. This holds some water. Actually, instead of making this more complicated, I'm just going to do this. Like that. And that means like over here, this will be exclusively ground. And this will be inclusively fly. So if flying, we do, if not flying, we use ground, else we use the other one. Okay, that should work. Let's see. Wow, they got stuck. Ah. Ah, it fell into the hole. Yeah, now they are not getting stuck. Nice. Yeah. They are not getting stuck into the spots. Yes. Now I just need to add exception so they don't fall into the holes. Because they can still fall into the holes. Yeah. I could just stand here and he would... Ah. There we go. It fell into the hole. Yeah. Yes. How does a barrel fall into the hole while flying? Well, let me tell you, when the programmer is not taking into account, they are going to have a flying enemy. They make it so every enemy runs the check for holes code and results on birds literally falling to their deaths. Yeesh. That's how. Yeah. I can fix that. Just give me a moment. Step. There is the check for holes code right here. Yeah. So the only thing I need to do is add an exception right here and we're good. So I just need to do if flying right here. If not flying, shush, cell phone. If not flying, we check for holes. If we do fly, then we don't. Shush, cell phone, shush. Go away. Okay, now they should not fall into holes. Even though I think it's kind of funny, they can actually fall into holes. Ah. Now there is another thing I wanna fix. You see how the birds basically come close to you and then they attack, right? What are you doing over there? Are you stuck with the thingy? Yeah. Right. They come close to you and then they attack. I don't want that to happen. So I want to do a little check to make them more aggressive and more dangerous in general. They also only dash a short distance before stopping. So what I want to do is something very interesting. What I'm going to do is go to the seagull objects, and there is this function on the animation end, and here you can see that when the attack finishes, for most enemies we go into the going down animation, right? Instead of that, what I want to happen is that it stays on attack animation until it enters the interrupted state, right? So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to inherit the event and I'm going to add a switch. For the state. Actually, wait a second. Scratch that. That's not going to work because that would just mean we switch from wind down to attack, and that doesn't work. Okay, I think I'm going to modify the inference again. Okay, so over here, I can set it so I have these functions that are generalized for each enemy, right? What if I add a function called on attack animation and right, and here I will do what we do on the animation ends. That is the wind down in general, right? But on the seagull specifically, what I'm going to do is overwrite that function and just do function on animation end. And here I will set the state to stay on attack. Right, until the animation is interrupted. That means when the seagull in particular attacks, the animation will keep going until it's interrupted. That means when they attack, now the enemy will keep flying all the way to the end of the screen until it hits something. Right? Which is quite nice. It does that. That means if I'm all the way over here and he attacks, he will keep going until the end of the animation. Did you get stuck? It got stuck. Ah. Damn it. So now I can trigger. All the way over here. Come on. Come here. Come on. And there it goes. To the end of the world. That's an issue I need to fix. Let's see. I will go to enemy parent. And I will add an event. It would be outside room. And what I'm going to do is move the character the way what I do when I'm attacking. What is it? Attacking. Index cooldown, index. Oh, right, there is no attacking here. Oops. Let me check on the seagull then. Seagull. On attack, I'm basically changing the speed right here. And you use movement ID to move the character. I'm going to grab this function and then go back to any parents. And here outside the room, I'm going to do basically this. But I'm just going to change the direction according to our position. I don't need the attack or the change right here. Why are these seagulls so mean? And the direction is basically going to be object on the player. This is easier than just doing random stuff. Base target changes direction. Okay, that's fine. Useful. And we go back over here. We face the player and we go in that direction. Right, and we switch the state. I will change it to state hunting. And that should make it so the enemies come back. Right? Collisions, flying, pause, return. Okay, let's go. So if I go over here and I trick the birds to fly outside the screen, now they basically stop at the edge. Yeah. You get stuck again. Yeah, I got stuck again. What happened there? Wait, instead of doing all that mumbo jumbo, why don't I just kill the enemy? What am I doing? I just need to switch it to instead of dying, and that's it. Why am I doing so much random stuff? What am I doing? There we go. That way, if you trick a bird to fly enough, it just dies. Like that. No need to worry about anything else. Ah. And there we go. Yeah. What's up? Hello. What's up, Ilfara? As if you make the trap roll off. What do you mean roll half? You mean half the difficulty? The trap rolls between 1 and the current difficulty. If you want to survive on current difficulty, you have to have max stamina. Why? The trap only does so much damage, and it rolls from 1 to current difficulty. It does like... what? I don't remember the formula, actually. Let me check. What was the formula for the trap? Action groups, dungeons, trap. Damage. Trap, potion, trap potion. Unfail, status stacks, stacks. This is opening track command. Let's see, on fail, roll damage, it does 5 plus dungeon difficulty. Yeah. If you want to survive in current difficulty, you have to have max stamina, just as the problem you can survive without stamina. Not enough to be sure how you're gonna die after 2-3 rounds. Defense potion. All the other stats are useless. Yeah, currently they are. Well, I could reduce... Yeah, I suppose I could reduce either damage or difficulty for the rolls. Yeah. What's the roll for the trap? Select random type, in a trap text, dragon type, trap flag, only that trap flag. Okay, that's because I need to check the encounter. Encounter validation roll, difficulty random trap validation. The problem are not the rolls, What about this? Well, maybe... Hold up. Okay, we roll for a counter. And then we enter in trap validation. And we check the execution over here. And we go to commands, dungeons, explore. You have a chance to find the trap. In dungeon, next is from the class, longest difficulty, set encounter. Execute trap. Yeah, that's okay. Let's check an XP. Set encounter. Roll for encounter, number for random source difficulty plus random user luck. Okay, I made some modifications. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I need to implement the enemies. You are indeed correct. Okay, I made some modifications. Now you are not guaranteed to find a trap on each room. Now it's just a chance of 25%. Given you have no luck and you are at difficulty 1. Yeah. I was planning on set it in this way. You have, for example, if you roll 20, d20, these are the things that happen. You can, from 0 to 5, you find a trap. From 5 to 10, you find an enemy. From weak enemy. From 15 to 20. Actually, this is wrong. And this is weak. 15 to 19. And 20 plus is nothing. That's the idea I had originally. Yeah. Yes, that's the idea. I have originally. Yes. About the XP for clearing a room. I probably should give XP for cleaning a room. Maybe I will add the nothing with XP rewards. Yeah. Yeah, the issue is that because each room is procedurally generated, basically every room can be a trap room, and every room can be any room. Yeah. Did I add the treasures to the command list? Hold up. Or did I forget about that? Let's see. Search. Search. Dungeon search. Let's see. Stone coin test message. It seems I had not added those two. I believe I have added the other commands, right? Yeah, I have that command right here. Is it ready? That is correct. That is correct. Okay. Okay, that is correct. And I believe on the loot store. Is that ready? Yeah, please add it to Discord. I will go through it. Other reasons loot. Pouch. Food chest. Yeah, maybe I should add this. Hold up. Copy this. Loot. Good chest. Okay. And I need to add the message also. Okay. And this triggers with this. I need to remove that. And okay. That is fine. And I do the same for the other one. before I forget to do this. And it should be over here. I wish I could change the colors on this thing. It would make things way more easier. Okay, so that's that, that's this, and I need this one. Like that. That is correct. This is working correctly. Okay. Did I actually set up the other command correctly? Let me check. Dungeon loads. Okay, that seems to be correct. Okay. Let me just check real quick. Okay. By the way, there is a new drop in the dungeons, the wood chest. Yeah. It's hard to get one. Yes. But you are at a level of difficulty where you could get one. Well, I will fix that issue with the dungeon crawler a bit later. Let me continue with this. I'm going to put this on a different note. 1 second, just so I don't forget in my homework. Okay, so what was I doing before? Okay, so these are working nicely. They attack quite aggressively, I would say. And they get stuck really easily. Yeah. Did you get stuck? No. There is another thing I want the seagulls to do, is to attack from a greater distance. So let me see if I can do that. Right now they get attack range, I believe. is get attack position right here. It's set out by this, right? I believe I can improve this quite a bit. So first we have the distance X, and then I check if it's higher or lower to set the direction. Then I check Y and do the same. Then, depending if it's right or left, I adjust this. So instead of doing this, I can just switch these values right here. Right? Instead of using so many variables and calculations, I can just do this. And then we have down. And up. That way I skip basically all this and basically these ones. And like that. That simplifies this. And I can grab this function and set it up on the signal. So let's go to the signal. And on the create, I'm going to initialize this function. So we have the position of the player, right? And the position I want is not just this, but the furthest position from the player on the grid. So here, the direction actually matters. So I need first the position of the player on the grid, right? I don't really care about the position in the world. So I can just say bar player grid position is going to be equals to grid dot to grid position object player, right? From there, I need to decide which way I'm going. So if our difference is greater than 0, that means this is right and this is left. So here basically I will go to a little 4. Bar E equals to the position of the player. Dot x e being less than grade.x a plus plus, and what I'm going to do is just check if grid dot get player position is under 0. What is marking this as an error? I need to specify the... Okay. Grid dot variable grid. We'll set the bar horizontal target, and I will set it to player position to start with, and I will set this to actually, let me just use this one. Horizontal target. We check that one. If that's correct, let's call this an auxiliary, actually. Bar aux equals to the position of the player. We check aux in that position. If that's better than 0, then we just say aux dot x since we're going to the right is a plus plus, and we try again, and the position that we find at the end is going to be our target. So we set horizontal positions to aux, right? And we do the same over here, but we do it on minus minus, and this is going the other way around. And this should be 0. Right? That should give us the parent on each side. Let's give it a try before I code more. It crashed. For variable object that I not set before I needed it. Oh, I see. Abort. I made a little typo right there. Let's see. Another crash. I see. Oops, I forgot to the horizontal targets right there on the bottom. Okay, now it should be working. Huh. It seems it's not doing what I wanted. In the horizontal, it just defaults to the side over there. Why is that? Auroch should be by default the player position. Player grid position. And we move this position all the way to the left or to the right. Let me modify this a little bit just so I can debug the code. I'm going to hide the vertical attack and use only horizontal. They are all going over there, huh? For some reason. Interesting. Let me see, what's the value green aux? I wonder. Let me set right here. I'm going to set log to aux. String aux. Just so I can actually see what's happening. Yeah, I think they are going to 0, 0, which is weird. So if I trigger not set preference, oops, a little typo. There we go. Function, down function script, vector 2. That's not what I wanted. Let me set something useful that I should maybe have done a long time ago. Let's see. Structs. There is the vector tool right here. And the left, right, down. I'm going to make a new function. And let's call this one the string. And basically what it's going to do is simply return a string like this. A string of x, and I will add to that a comma and string of y, and I will add to that the closing key. Something that's simple. So we go back to the seagull, and I'm just going to say aux dot to string. Just like that. There we go. Now we know what's going on there. There is 4732 in aux. 2332. That's so weird. Why is it going all the way over there? 417 16 8. Oh wait, it's actually working. If I move, it kinda works. Almost. Wait. What are you doing? Come on. Yeah, now it's behaving very weirdly. Ah, there we go. So if I move vertically, that one moves vertically, which is what I want, basically. And if I move horizontally, it should move horizontally. Right? That's weird. Okay, here my x changing, right? That means the x in the thingy should be changing like that. Hold up. Something's weird. Let me grab the position for the player. New vector 2, player X and player Y. Right? And then I grab that position and set it back. Right? And then we have the odds, that is the player position at the start. Difference in X. my X versus the difference. And if our difference is on X, we do this. Okay, let me see if that works. I wanna see what's happening. Okay, so here we have 16 on X, 4. This stays in 4. Okay. The only one that is changing is the Y. And if I do this, it shouldn't be changing either. Okay, that's okay. That's expected. Oh, I know what the issue is. I see. The algorithm is working correctly. The issue is that I'm returning the coordinates in grid instead of on word position. So basically what I need to do is do a grid dot to word position of this grid right here, and that should solve the issue. Yeah, that was the problem. Now these guys should try to go to the wall, basically, to attack me. At least they should be. Okay, so this guy is attacking vertically for some reason. It's not updating the coordinates. Now it is. 31, 18. That's weird. Why are you stuck on 31? 43, 47, 31. Oh, it's because the position should be to the right, right? Wait, I see. It's because the position is invalid after we go through here, right? So I should basically do a little step back right here. Dot x minus minus. Like that. So it's a valid position. Yeah. That should fix it. Right? Yeah, now they are targeting the edges of the screen instead of what they were doing before. So they now go all the way to the right to fix that issue. Right? Go to the right and dash. And then they should go to the left. Right there. Well, they didn't. Right there. Yeah, if they're... it's working when they are to the right, but not to the left. Huh. Yeah, on the right they go all the way to the far end. Right there. All the way to the far end. But on the left, they are not really working, which is a bit weird. Yeah, they go to the other end of the screen. I don't know what happened there. Huh. Maybe I need to restructure this for. Basically, I'm updating the position right there, right? If I, instead of doing that, I set it to Y, to I, so I say aux position is our current I, right? And we check if the position is still under 0. We keep going. If we are under 0, we keep going. Alright? Else, we break. Okay, good night. Sleep well. See you later, Killfire. Yeah. Yeah, it's almost time. Yes. So I don't need this, actually. This goes to the right, and let's go to the left. If we are not at 0, we just break. Variable grid. Instead of variable grid, I could do it on top of the terrain grid. Object. Game manager dot flying grid. We get the flying grid and we check if this is equal to 0. Yeah. Do I have a grid on the object manager actually? Object manager. Come on. create, do I have a get here? Get all, object, create position. We have this mark object. Path mark cell. Pathfinding, clear. This grid gets right here. Okay. I don't need this for the moment, or this. Let me clean this before we continue. Okay. Oh. Okay. This time's up. Yeah. Aux X and aux Y. We get that and we add it to I get the same for obstacle grids, and we compare up to that, and if it is we continue, if not we break. Okay, this should be the same over here. Okay. Seriously. Well, at least you are here for the end of the stream. Yeah. It crashed. X equals to I see. That's the issue. Right here. I forgot to add the underscore. Huh. They suddenly start acting really weird when I do it like this. They suddenly break. Why is that? For some reason this guy is not recalculating. They are not recalculating anymore. Yeah, this is not working. I don't need to. I can remove it if I want to. It's not really that hard. I just wanted to improve a little bit the navigation. Yeah, I can remove it pretty easily. It's basically just commenting where is it? Next tile is commenting these lines, and we're remove the diagonals just by doing that. I can just do this and there is no like diagonals anymore. Yeah. Like that. But it causes that issue of them getting stuck. In the objects, sadly. It doesn't really contribute to anything. Well, I suppose it doesn't. Yeah. You might be correct. I need to think the diagonals a bit more carefully. Yeah. Well, for now, at least we have a partial implementation of the seagulls. Yeah. Ah, I fell. We have also the slimes misbehaving, apparently. Grid 4, index of phones, right in -1, 6. I wish they would tell me exactly where does that happen. This guy is working apparently fine for some reason. The slimes are kinda broken. Just kinda, a little bit. Yeah, the enemies are broken currently. Well, we will continue next time.
Kill Fairy got 4 exp. It was pretty smooth for a while. How does a bird fall into a hole while flying?
That's a good question. It has something to do with the programmer.
Oh no.
Oh. Oh. Do they deal damage without attacking? They don't. Yeah. They don't really. I don't like contact damage, so only when attacking. Yeah. Only when attacking. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, so I'll be stopping here for today. Thank you so much for coming to the stream, and I will see you guys next time. As always, my schedule is on Twitter.
Hola.
Hola, Spy. Bienvenido. Bienvenido al fin de stream. Yeah. Well, my schedule is on Twitter and on Discord. The prototype, the latest prototype for the game
My
is
sprinkler
available
goes
on
like this
Patreon.
and comes back like it.
Yeah. The latest prototype for the game is on Patreon. And the source code is also available already for this version, the one before I started messing up with the pathfinding. Yeah. It's already available if you wanna check it out. Yeah. Yes. Ok. Voy a parar aquí. I'm going to stop here and grab something for dinner. Thank you so much for coming. And I will see you guys next time. Muchas gracias por venir. Nos vemos el jueves. Good night. Bye bye. Sleep well. Bye bye. Good night. Buenas noches. Que descansen. Nos vemos el jueves. Bye bye. See you on Thursday. Yes. No. Nos vemos. Buenas noches. Que descansen. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye. Sleep well. And bye. Bye. Bye.
What if you make the trap rolls half? If you want to survive on the current difficulty, you have to max stamina. Yes, that's the problem. You can't survive without stamina. Luck? Not enough to be sure. Health? You're gonna die after 2 or 3 rounds. Defense? Poison. All the other stats are useless. I mean, the problem are not the rolls. Is that everything is full of traps? What about this? You have flat change to find a trap. Let's say it's 50%. Subtract from that your luck 0.5. Now probably you'll need to add something like enemy's room. Then it would be useful level up the other stats. Since agility only works with traps, let's say it is a flat 25% to find an enemy if you don't find a trap. So if you don't find a trap, there would be a 50% change to find an enemy and a 50% change that the room is empty. If the room is empty, give something like 5 XP. You can also add a treasure room that maybe also has a flat change to find it, luck 0.1. The XP given for an empty room is a flat amount that doesn't increments. So if you find a trap or a monster, you reward the player with an incremental amount of XP. If not, then they'll gain just a flat amount, so the room is not useless. I'll write everything later on Discord. Alright, on the empty rooms you might be able to add encounters, but probably that's something to add at the end. Then everything would feel more like D&D. Why? Are they going to 0-0? Weird. Well, I'm leaving. Good luck. Time alert, BTW is almost time. I'm back. Time alert, is time. I never said I was going to sleep. Nerdface. Lemao. Did you really need to add diagonal movement? The thing is that moving diagonal doesn't really contribute to anything. Do they deal contact damage without attacking? Oh no, Lemao. Cheese. Ola. Allo. CF. XD/. Adios anya. _.xd. My sprinkler goes like this and comes back like it. Crazy. I was crazy once. They locked me in a shoebox. A shoebox in September. A shoebox in 21st of September. And 21st of September make me crazy. Crazy. I was crazy once. Nyanyum nyanya jun ianya do no nyarabida nyakunyaku inayanyaku nyanya han nyanya di nyaninaku nyarabiti nyaganya game. Pro. Sorry. XD. Can't believe the TTS can vocalize that. Good night everyone. Hast mañana, D. Jueves. Hasta. Dash. Popcorn yellow striped smile. Bye bye. My sprinkler goes like this and comes back like it. Bye. DDDDD. Croissant. Banana. Cat. Big black square. Cat. Big black square. Bread.
Buenas noches.
Bread. Left pointing finger. Duck. Hasta mañana. D. Bye bye. Jueves. Good night. ._.xd. Bye. DDDT.
Nos vemos el jueves.
Oaks, D.